Today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my smartwatch. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So this smartwatch here is by the company VeryFit. Let me go ahead and open it up. This is the box that you will receive when you get your watch. So I'm going to be showing you everything that is included inside of your box. So let me go ahead and show you first and foremost. You will get your operation manual. This manual is actually in a variety of languages, so it just walks you through the operations of your watch. So it walks you through the product overview, turning on and off your watch. It tells you what app to download. There's actually a QR code to go ahead and scan to go ahead and download the app for your watch. You will also get a charging cable. So let me go ahead and show you that. This is what the charging cable looks like. It's a type C, and then it has this other end. You also get the silicone band, and it already comes with one ink attached to it. So let me show you. This one's like a little leather style band, and it does have the little holes right here. It has a nice rose gold metal frame. Look at the stitching, super good quality. And then the watch itself. This is actually a very nice watch. This has a round face. So take a look. It has a round. So let me go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to go ahead and press down on it. Right, it is powering on, as you could see the brand. So first it's going to ask you to go ahead and set up your language. So I'm going to go ahead and select English, and it is touchscreen, and it was actually very easy to touch it. So let me go ahead and set it up, and then I'll show you the features inside. All right, so I went ahead and paired it to my phone. It's ready to go. So let me go ahead and show you that's the face, and this could help you track, like you see here, it could track your steps, your sweat goals. Here it tracks your fitness. So Monday through Sunday. Here's your heart rate. Give you a closer look on that. So I want to go ahead and show you a closer look on this watch. It has your activity, phone, AI voice, track your workout record, your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, sleep, cycle tracking, breathe, clock, weather, music, camera, find your phone, calculator, calendar, unwind time, games, service, settings. So here you could go ahead and personalize it. Super easy. Like you see it, I'm touching it, and it's very, very easy to control. You could switch it up. Very, very nice. Take a look. So simple to the touch to change the watch face, and just giving you a closer look, that gold accent around. And you could keep this band right here that it came with, or you could switch it to the silicone one, and it was super easy to set up. All I had to do is pair it with Bluetooth, download the app, you just create a profile, and you're ready to go. And the great thing is that this is actually compatible with both Android and Apple devices. So according to the manual, the charging time would be 2 hours, and this could actually last you up to 5 to 7 days. That is the battery life. This is a 1.27-inch screen. So I'm actually going to get ready to go ahead and do my outdoor workout for the evening. I'm going to go do a 45-minute walk, and I'm actually going to track it. I want to see how accurate this actually is, how it works, how it tracks my steps. So I'm going to go ahead and take this with me, and then I'll go ahead and give you my final verdict. All right, just want to give you an update. We're about halfway through our walk. See, it's tracking my heart rate, the time, the miles, the pace. We just got back inside. I'm about to end it, and it is recorded. Our outdoor walk today, 46 minutes. The distance, the pace, the speed, the steps, gives you a whole workout summary. This watch is super nice. I like how easy it is to just use it. The functionality on it, as soon as I press it, it moves, and I can control it with the touchscreen. It actually works very nicely, very smooth. This watch is available in a variety of colors. This makes for a perfect gift, or if you want to go ahead and get a smartwatch that will track your workouts, track your sleep, track your notifications, anything like that. It is so nice to have it at your wrist. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.